Hey everyone, welcome back! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find a product ID in Shopify. Whether you're managing your store, working with apps, or setting up automation, knowing your product IDs can really come in handy. Let's start with the simplest method. Finding the product ID directly from your online store. Open your product page just like a customer would, then look at the URL in your browser. At the end of that link, add .json, that's .json, hit enter, and your browser will display a page full of data. In that text, you'll see a line labeled ID. That's your product ID. You can use your browser's find tool by pressing Ctrl and F or Command and F on Mac and search for the word ID to locate it instantly. Now let's move to the admin method, which is even easier if you have access to your Shopify dashboard. Log into your admin panel, go to Products, and click on All Products. Then, open the product you want to check. Look at the URL at the top of your browser. You'll see a long link that ends with products followed by a string of numbers. Those numbers are your product ID. If you need to find several product IDs at once, there's a bulk method you can use. While logged into your Shopify admin, go to the address bar and type admin.variants.json. After your store's main URL, press enter, and you'll see a list of all your products and their variants, including their IDs. By default, Shopify only shows 50 at a time, but if you want to view more, just add limit equals 250 at the end of the link to display up to 250 items per page. And that's it. Now you know 3 easy ways to find any product ID in Shopify through the storefront, the admin panel, or in bulk using the JSON view. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to check out my other Shopify guides for more quick tips to help you manage your store efficiently.